Today, I will be showing you how to completely silence or remove unwanted humming noise, emanating from Sunbuck TAV 6188BT Amplifier. One thing I don't like is unnecessary noise. If you on the amplifier, you will hear the humming noise of the DC fan inside the amplifier so loud. This noise is so disturbing, by interrupting my listening pleasure. First, let on the amplifier and hear how noisy it is. Now, I will show you how to completely silence this unwanted noise in this video. You need a screwdriver to open the top cover of the amplifier. The DC 12 volts fan is what is making the noise inside the amplifier. This is because it is rotating at high speed to cool the amplifier coil. Cooling the amplifier is very good, because it protects the amplifier from getting overheating. So, all you need to do is to step down the voltage of the 12 volts DC fan. Look at this black device, it is the DC to DC converter. This device converts 12 volts DC power to 5 volts DC power. I bought it from AliExpress, you can get it from any other shop for less than $4. It takes just 3 steps to connect this converter to the DC fan. 3 steps to connect this converter to the DC fan. 1. Cut the wire of the 12 volts DC fan input. 2. Attach the 12 volts DC converter input to it. 3. Connect the converter output to the DC fan of the amplifier. With this converter connected to the 12 volts DC fan, the fan is now converted to 5 volts DC fan speed. The DC fan speed is now reduced, and the humming unwanted noise is now completely silent when you on the amplifier. Now, let's screw the amplifier cover back and on it to confirm if the humming noise is completely removed. The humming noise of the DC fan is completely silent. You cannot hear any humming noise even if you put your ear on the amplifier. Subscribe to our channel to get regular update of our products review. Thanks for watching. Megatech Review.